Stop scrolling. If your phone is restarting again and again without warning, this video will fix it permanently. I am from Tech Vibes. Listen carefully and follow step by step. First, let me explain the real causes. Random restart is not a single problem. It is usually caused by software bugs, battery issues, overheating, corrupted apps, or power management settings. Now let us start with the fixes. Fix number 1. Check overheating. If your phone becomes hot, the system forces an automatic restart to protect hardware. Remove the phone case. Stop gaming, charging, and mobile data at the same time. Avoid using the phone while charging. Go to Settings, then go to Battery, then check temperature or usage. If the phone stays hot, restart once and let it cool completely. Fix number 2. Disable Auto Restart feature. Many Android phones have scheduled restart enabled by default. Go to Settings, then go to Battery and Device Care. Then go to Automation. Then turn off Auto Restart or Scheduled Restart. This single setting fixes restart issues for many users. Fix number 3. Check battery health. A weak battery causes sudden power drop, then restart. If battery percentage jumps like 40% to 0%, battery is failing. Dial *#0* on Samsung phones to check battery status. If battery health is poor, replacement is the permanent solution. Fix number 4. Uninstall problematic apps. Recently installed apps are the biggest culprit. Go to Settings, then go to Apps. Sort apps by last used. Uninstall any cleaner app, booster app, wallpaper app, or mod app. Restart the phone and observe. Fix number 5. Clear system cache partition. This removes corrupted temporary files. Power off the phone completely. Press and hold power plus volume up until recovery mode appears. Select Wipe Cache Partition. Confirm and reboot. This does not delete personal data. Fix number 6. Update software properly. Outdated or failed updates cause boot loops. Go to Settings, then go to Software Update, then download and install. Use Wi-Fi, stable Wi-Fi, not mobile data. Keep battery above 50%. Final fix. Factory reset, only if needed. Backup data first. Go to Settings, then go to General Management, then Reset, then Factory Data Reset. This removes deep software corruption. If your phone still restarts after all these steps, it is a hardware issue. Most commonly battery or power IC. This was Tech Vibes. Like, share, and subscribe for real fixes that work.